Go to patreon.com/tiltedtripodmedia. Support this channel by becoming a member and unlock the future of video. Product reviews, travel, and more on Tilted Tripod Media. Click that subscribe button and welcome to the future of video. And smash the bell icon to be notified about weekly videos. This is Urbex. My name is Chris, and welcome to the Grove City Kmart in Grove City, Ohio. This is a look at the closing sale that they have going on. This is the second time I have been to this Kmart during their closing sale, and we're going to go inside and take a look. If you missed part 1 of this, I highly recommend you go back and check it out. The date is December 1st, 2019, and it's the final time that I will be stepping inside the Kmart in Grove City, Ohio. This is one final look as we say goodbye to the Kmart in Grove City and all of Central Ohio. The store would close at 5 p.m. on December 16th, 2019, forever. You know, I've had a lot of people tell me how nice this Kmart is, and unfortunately, I didn't get to experience this one until it was already into its closing sale because I didn't even know it existed.
Wow, you can really hear that Christmas music banging away. Look at everyone, and they even have the iconic Kmart triangle painted right there on the pole. Wow, there's not a whole lot of fixtures left.
No, not your blue light special one.
There's like not much left in the way of fixtures here. Well, I guess there is. I'm not quite sure when this store is actually closing. Permanently, that is.
So my initial impressions when walking into this store back during the beginning of its closing sale was just super outdated, just not the upkeep. It was clean, but it was just almost like, wow, when was the last time you did any kind of updates to this place? And I know Kmart's are usually outdated, but this one seemed extra outdated. I don't know. Maybe it was just the area. I don't know. It is Grove City.
Maybe if someone can identify what these were used for. I don't... They look like beverage holders. I don't know what these were for, but they're interesting. Wow, you guys, when was the last time you saw an old school flashlight like this that takes the C batteries and has the old school incandescent light and it still works?
So I asked one of the employees what this weird room was, and they told me it was never a back room, but it used to be a K cafe. And after taking a second look at it, yeah, I can totally see how it used to be a cafe. Wait a minute, hold on, we need to back up for a minute. Since when did Kmart ever have their cafes or food restaurants in the back of the store? They were always at the front somewhere. Alright, so this brings us to the garden center, and this is the indoor section of the garden center, which I thought it was kind of odd that they had all this stuff shoved back here. But then, I mean, you know, it is a closing sale, and some of the locations put all of their fixtures inside. But they had things like these carts for sale. Those of you that might be a Kmart fan, this next part might be a little disturbing because trash? I hardly think these are trash. Those are perfectly good carts. I hope they are intending to use them to haul trash to the dumpsters and not the carts are actually trash. That would be tragic. But it was cool anyways getting to come back in here and see what was, you know, shoved in here and left behind.
Right, you guys, look what I found. OMG, look at this. This is the Little Caesars chair. OMG, this is so cool. It doesn't have a price on it, but this is amazing to see one of these Little Caesars chairs, and it's in pretty good condition too.
Well, by good condition I meant it's salvageable and you could clean it up and make it look like new, because upon inspection it had some paint scrapes, and when I went to pick the chair up, the cushion fell off and went boom on the floor.
Hey, it's Chris here coming to you from the Grove City Kmart, and I just wanted to give a shout out to Manny Quackiao. I guess that's how you say his last name. Everyone always questions me, well, how do you pronounce that? And I go, I believe he says Quackia or Quashia, or lots of people have gotten it wrong. Anyways, big shout out to him. You should go subscribe to him over on the Chronicles of Quackia and go check out his amazing Kmart content while you're at it, and subscribe to my channel while you're at it as well, and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified about my videos, and do the same for his channel.
Yeah, just ignore that idiot before. It's actually pronounced Manny Quackiao. But anyways, heading on over to patreon.com/tiltedtripodmedia is a great thing, and you should go and do it right now because that will support the future of video and secure the future of this channel and all of my other channels by making any kind of a donation. It goes a long way to help in all the expenses of creating these videos: gas, lodging, food, etc. Just the time it takes to edit the videos in itself. And then you got to come back to my channel to hit that subscribe button and smash the bell icon. That way you'll be up to date on all the latest videos here on my channel and all the other channels on Tilted Tripod Media. And I want to say thank you for joining me here, and I'll see you in the next video, hopefully.